Bitcoin has skyrocketed over $44,000 after Tesla announced that they have bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoins. Tesla also said that they have plans to accept Bitcoin as a payment method for its products. So finally, people with Bitcoins in their wallets will able to buy Tesla products now. Will Bitcoin remain stable at this stage, or it will fluctuate, go up and down? Well, I strongly believe that it will even go more high. That's gonna be a great opportunity for investment, right, Manha? Because of this news, more and more people are going to invest in Bitcoin. That will make it even more valuable. It will also have an impact on Tesla stocks. Well, they are already doing amazing, but after buying this, they will even go more high. If you like the content, if you like Manha, consider subscribing and press the like button. Stay fantastic, bombastic like Manha. Signing off, Arfan Aftab. Thank you very much.